This diversity tool. This is my neighbor, and look what he did.
So,
And what is this again?
so this is my pack out slide out tray. So I have pack out toolboxes that clip into these black mounting points.
Okay.
And instead of buying a pre-built system, I took it upon myself to build a way to get my tools in and out of the truck without having to crawl inside of the topper.
Okay.
So the way this works is I've got this handle here. And when I pull on this handle, the ropes come out and it pulls these legs up into place. Like that. And I lift it in here. It goes into the truck and I strap it in place so it doesn't bounce around inside. And then when I'm ready to get my tools out, you just pull the platform out. The legs swing out in position, and then I can take my tools in and out.
All right. You want me to show your face or not? Just do your voice?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
But yeah.
This is my neighbor.
Yes, sir. This is my slide out tray.
He just out of the blue. This is what he came up with.
Yep. The only things I'd really kind of like to change about it is these are just standard door hinges.
Right.
And I'd like to change those out at some point, but they haven't broke yet. So
right.
if it's not broke, don't fix it.
That's fine.
If it's not broke, don't fix it. So,
no.
But and then the leg is splitting too, so that's the other thing. But altogether, this probably cost me about $200, $250. I got the wheels for free, and that's kind of how this project started.
Okay.
But those are some casters off of like an IT cabinet that they had taken apart.
We have 9 of them?
Yep, there's 9 of them. Yep, so there's some 2x6s on the bottom side.
Okay.
And 5/8 plywood, and some 2x4s, some scrap 2x4s I had.
Wonderful.
Yes, sir.
I'm not the only one doing this stuff. Look at this. Well, thank you.
Absolutely.
You want to be on YouTube? No, okay. Okay. Great job.
Thank you very much.